Hello everyone, welcome back to Grey Pot. Today we are making scrumptious carrot dates cake packed with nutrients, flavors and love. Get ready to indulge in this moist and delicious treat. First let's blend together 2 eggs with some raw sugar. Add some vegetable oil with some grated carrots. Now add some chopped dates, cashew nuts, and sift in all-purpose flour with some salt and baking powder. Mix it really well. Then pour it into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Here I used a loaf tin. Now bake this at 170-degree preheated oven for around 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool down in the pan itself. Then demold it and our delicious and moist carrot dates cake is ready. This carrot cake is so nutritious, moist and delicious. So do try out this recipe, leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Until next time, happy baking!